Welcome to YCAD Wonders. I'm Ganesh from Bangalore. Okay, in this video, let's look at the factors, multiples, and prime numbers. Okay, now, so we know 3 into 2, 6. Okay, so that means what 3 is a factor of 6. So, because when you multiply 3 and 2, we get 6. So, therefore, 3 is a factor of Similarly, 2 also is a factor of 6. In fact, 6 also can be written as, say, 1 into 6 equal to 6, correct? So therefore 1 is a factor of 6. Six also is a factor of 6. So now factors of 6 are say 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, so how to find the factors? Say for example 6 is 6 divisible by 1? Yes, so 1 is a factor of 6. Is 6 divisible by 2? Yes, so 2 is a factor of 6. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes, divisible by, therefore 3 is a factor of 6. Is 6 divisible by 4? No, when you divide 6 by 4 there will be a remainder. So remainder is not 0. So therefore 4 is not a factor of 6. Similarly 5 is not a factor of 6, but 6 is a factor of 6. Okay, similarly factors of 12, so you will find say 1, so it is divisible by 2, say 12 is divisible by 1, so divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 4, it's not divisible by 5, not divisible, it's divisible by 6, not divisible by 7, okay, so not 8, not 9, not 10, 11, so 12 is divisible by 12. Okay, so easy way to find all the factors is say 12 can be written as 1 into 12. So also we can write it as 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. Okay, that's all. Now next one is 4. 4 already appears in this okay, list of numbers, so that's all, let's leave it. Okay, then okay, to want to write it in ascending order all the factors, then it's like this. See, this, write all them, this, all of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So we will get all the factors. Okay, similarly factors of say 18. So it's 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6, and see 4, it's not divisible by 4. Okay, so 4 is not a factor, so we can't write 4 into something as 18. Similarly 5, 6, 6 that's all, 6 comes here, so that's all. There are no more factors. Okay, therefore, okay, so factors of 18, one, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Okay, so these are the factors of 18. See, if you suppose you know one of the factors, then okay, if you divide that number by that factor, you will get another factor. Okay, for example, say 36. So we divide 36, okay, by 3. So you get so 12. So and remainder 0. So remainder is not 0, then it's not a factor, because remainder is 0. So 3 is the factor of 36. So what is the quotient? So quotient is 12. Therefore 12 is another factor of 36. In other words, if you divide 36, okay, by 12, you will get 3. If you divide 3, you divide 36 by 3, you get 12. Okay, so if you know, okay, one factor, if you divide by that number, that factor, you will get whatever the quotient, that will be the other factor. So again, if when you divide a number by, okay, another one, if the remainder is not 0, that means the divisor. So you should know what is okay. So some basic things about divisor, quotient, dividend, and so on. Okay, let's okay, divide 24 by 3, see 3. So you know it's 8 times. So you get remainder 0. Okay. So similarly, if you divide say 20 by 3, so here 6 times, 18, remainder 2. So here the number by which see the number that's getting divided is called dividend. Okay, in the second example, so this example, so dividend is 20. Okay, so dividend, the number by which you divide your dividend is a divisor. So here divisor is so divisor is 3, and see the result you get. See here that you write here 6 times. That's called quotient. So quotient is 6, and see whatever is left out. So left over, that's remainder. So remainder is 2. Okay, so actually there's a relation between all these okay, 4 things. Okay, let's suppose you call this dividend as say D, capital D, and this is small d, and this one Q, small q, and this is R. So dividend equal to, say, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So in this case, if you look at it here, what is the divisor? 3, quotient 6, so 3 into 6 plus remainder 2. So we get 3 into 6, 18, 18 plus 2 equal to 20. So which is same as the dividend. So this relationship holds good for any division. So even in this case, so here remainder is okay 0. So okay, if you multiply say d into q plus r, so divisor is 3, 3 into 8 plus 0 is equal to 24 plus 0 equal to 24. So this is the divisor, sorry, dividend. Okay, dividend is 24. And if the remainder is 0, then the divisor becomes the factor of the dividend. So here remainder is 0 in this case, first case. When you divide 24 by 3, you get remainder 0. Okay, therefore 3 is a factor of 24. Similarly, 8 also is a factor of 24. Okay, in the second case, when you divide 20 by 3, the remainder is 2, it's not 0. Therefore 3 is not a factor of 20. Similarly, 6 also is not a factor of 20. And another way of, okay, now let's okay, use the term multiple. Okay, so we know, okay, we saw 3 is a factor of 24. Okay, so another way of saying this is 24 is a multiple of 3. That means what? So multiple means some multiple. So you multiply. So how many times? So say 3 into 8. So we multiply by 8. That means 8 times the 8 times 3 is 24. So therefore 24 is a multiple of 3. Okay, in general, or any variable, if a is a multiple of b, then b is a divisor, b is a factor of a. Okay, so here 24 is a multiple of 3, therefore 3 is a factor of 24. Okay, so now, okay, what are the multiples? Let's say multiples. What are the multiples of 6? Like to get a multiple of 6, you keep multiplying by 1, 2, 3. Okay, different natural numbers. Okay, 6 into 1 will give you 6. 6 into 2, 12. 6 into 3, 18. 6 into 4, 24. Okay, 6 into 5, 30, and so on. So these are all multiples of 6. So smallest multiple of 6 is 6, the number itself. and largest multiple is multiple of any number is undefined. Largest multiple of 6 is undefined, it's infinity. Okay. Similarly, say multiples of say 4 are say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Okay, suppose the question is, say, what is the multiple of 6? Okay, which lies between say 20 and 30. So it's 24. So 24 is a multiple of 6 that lies between 20 and 30. Similarly, say what are the multiples of 4 that lie between 20 and 30? Okay, then we have say 24 and 28, isn't it? Because so 24 next, so we will get 24, say 28, 32 and so on. So multiples of 6 that lie between 20 and 30 are 24 and 28. So when you say between two numbers, you should not include those numbers. Okay. So between, suppose we ask what are the multiples of 6 or multiples of 4, what are the multiples of 4 from 20 to 30? Multiples of 4 that lie, so from 20 to 30, then 20 also should be included, then 20, 24, 28. Okay, then now let's see what the prime numbers are. The prime number is a number, is a natural number, so that has exactly 2 factors. So what are the factors of 6? We saw factors of 6 are factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So there are 4 factors. Okay, that means 6 is not a prime number. Let's take 3. What are the factors of 3? Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. There are no other factors. So therefore 3 is a prime number. What are the factors of 2? There's 1 and 2. So these are also prime number. So these are all prime numbers. I mean 3. So what I mean is 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So therefore, because 2 has exactly 2 factors, 3 also has 2 factors. Similarly, 7. So factors of 7 are 1 and 7, no other factors. Factors of 5 also, 1 and 5, just 2 factors. So therefore, say 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers. So number having more than 2 factors, or the number having 3 or more factors, are called composite numbers. For example, 6. Say as we saw, 6 has 4 factors, therefore 6 is a composite number. Okay, what about the number 1? What are the factors of 1? See, it has only one factor, just one factor. So that means, see, to be a prime number, it should have exactly 2 factors, but it has just one factor. Therefore, 1 is not a prime number. Okay. Similarly, so for a composite number, a number should have 3 or more factors, but it has just one factor. Therefore, 1 is not a composite number. So in other words, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So it should not be included in any of those. So it is important to know. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. And if you look at it, 2 is the only even prime number. No other prime, all other prime numbers are odd. So 2 is the only even prime number, and 2 is the smallest prime number. So 2 is the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number is not 1, it's 2, because 1 is not a prime number. So hope you understood what the factors, multiples and prime numbers are. Thank you.